Picture this: the world's most feared battleship, deceived by amateur actors wearing grease paint, mustaches, and bedsheets. Not in wartime, not by enemy spies, but by bored artists. On a Tuesday afternoon in 1910, the HMS Dreadnought wasn't just any ship. It was Britain's crown jewel of naval supremacy, a steel leviathan that could obliterate enemy fleets from miles away. Foreign admirals studied it obsessively. Emperors envied it, and 6 pranksters in costume jewelry walked right aboard. The masterminds? The Bloomsbury Group, London's most notorious band of intellectual troublemakers, featuring a 8-year-old Virginia Woolf. Yes, that Virginia Woolf. Their weapons of choice: theatrical robes from a costume shop, corked blackened faces, and the most outrageous fake beards money could rent. On the 7th of February, they transformed themselves into Prince Macallan of Abyssinia and his royal entourage. A forged telegram to the Foreign Office did the rest. Within hours, red carpets rolled out at Waterloo Station. A military escort snapped to attention. The Royal Navy's finest, prepared to dazzle their exotic guests. Aboard the Dreadnought, the princes communicated through spectacular nonsense mangled Latin mixed with passages from Virgil's Aeneid, punctuated by their invented royal greeting, Bunga. Bunga! When offered refreshments, they dramatically refused, claiming religious dietary restrictions. The ship's officers, desperate to please, nearly tore apart the galley searching for appropriate food. The naval brass proudly demonstrated secret gun turrets, classified engine rooms, and cutting-edge rangefinders to people who were literally making up words as they went along. One interpreter forgot which character he was playing halfway through. When Fleet Street newspapers exposed the hoax days later, the Admiralty's fury collided with public hysteria. Parliament debated. Music halls sang Bunga Bunga songs. The Navy quietly updated their security protocols while publicly pretending nothing happened. No charges were filed. Prosecuting would mean admitting, officially, that the world's most powerful navy had been bamboozled by face paint and funny accents. The lesson? Sometimes the mightiest fortresses fall not to cannons, but to confidence and theatrical beards.